We were able to get there at least 2 command and control centers in like Murid and Chaklala that I have shown you one of the pictures. At least 6 radars, some of them big, some of them small. We have at least 5 fighters confirmed kills and 1 large aircraft which was taken out at a distance of about 300 kilometers. This is the actually largest ever recorded surface to air kill.
आप देख सकते हैं कि ये रिहाइश का ये बच्चों की कॉपियाँ किताबें हिंदुत्व प्रेम और कल्चर ऑफ
Once we have the confirmed evidence, we checked it, rechecked it, reconfirmed it. So then we came officially out yesterday. The Prime Minister of Pakistan claimed it, and told that the 6 aircraft were down on the and have been down, and I can confirm that in American type that's a Mirage 2000.